salsa hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare for the turn. 7, 8. From here we're going to the hammer lock. While doing the hammer lock, you have to remember two things. Make them understand the tension. And from here, when you're using your palm facing right now outside, now it's going to be inside at the same time. So it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have a contact here with the fingers, and from here palm to palm. From here facing we're going to do a pendulum move. 5, 6, 7, 8.
For the followers, they're feeling slight tension of the pendulum movement from the hand, but they're also mirroring the leader's body movement also.
So from here my hand is happening 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm doing 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time also I'm doing 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we're going to do a spin on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to change our hand from flick hand. From salsa hand to flick hand. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8.